Hey, what's up, everybody? It's me, Melody Burst. Today we're going to be talking about my favorite video game company, Blizzard, and we're going to be talking about my top 8 Blizzard characters. Number 8, we've got the Terran. Now, the Terran are actually a race, but there's so many memorable Terran, I couldn't choose just one. This is a tie between every Terran. Number 7 is the Skeleton Key from Diablo 3. He's a big skeleton. That's pretty cool. He's got a throne. Number 6, Deckard Cain. Deckard Cain, famously voice acted by, I'll put his name in later. He's the guy who looks at your stuff and tells you what it is. Number 5 is Kurgan, Queen of Blade, brought to life, of course, by the famous Clancy Brown. Number 4 is Garrett Hellscourge. He's a big orc. You know, the famous for saying stuff like Claude, Zudzug, we've been waiting on you, archers, stuff like that. Orcs are cool. Great character design. You wouldn't expect this great character design coming from a company named after a Burger King ice cream snack. Number 3, we have Big Hero 6. Number 2, we have the Nocti from Unreal Tournament 2004. And my number 1 Blizzard character is Blizzard.